Hello, my name is Josh Birchie. I'm the owner of Steerco AGR Performance Steering. Today I'm going to walk you through how to properly install your power steering pump pulley on a Saginaw Type 2 TC style pump. Again, we're going to use the rental tool from Oreilly's. It's part number 67010. Okay, I've taken the pump. I put it in the vise just for a second hand. The vise isn't mounted. It's just for the video purposes, so it may move around a little bit. But you can also get a friend to hold the pump as well, or just put it in a vise like I've done. Take your pulley and lay it on top of your pump. Open up your toolkit and grab this part. This is just a bolt that'll thread into the shaft, and it's got a bearing. The better ones have a bearing on it, so it helps things slide a little bit better. Make sure that the shaft threads are really good and clean. There's not any rust or gunk or anything like that in there, so that your bolt can fully engage the threads. This will ensure that you're not pulling the threads out when you start to put a lot of torque on this. So thread it all the way in like this, and then run the bearing down, and then kind of give it a wiggle to make sure it seats real well. You're going to use a 17 millimeter to hold the bearing portion, and you're going to use a 14 millimeter for the bolt. The bolt is actually attached directly to the shaft, and you're going to want to hold that, and when you turn the bottom part, it's actually pulling the pulley onto the shaft. You're not pressing anything at all. If you use some kind of press method, you're likely going to cause damage to the inside of the shaft or inside of the pump. As you get further and further down, this is going to get harder and harder. But just use your patience. It'll take 4 or 5 minutes to get this done. All right, I'm fairly sure I felt it stop, and we've got this pulled onto the shaft all the way. So we're going to remove our tool and check, and we have. You can see that the pump shaft is flush to the edge of the pulley hub, so we know that it's properly installed. Using the proper tool, a little bit of patience, you're not going to cause any damage to the pump pulley. You're not going to cause any damage to the shaft at all. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to this channel for more power steering tech tips, facts, troubleshooting, and installations. And find us on social media.